You know that feeling, right? You know you should have some kind of mental wellness routine, but who has the time or the energy to even figure out where to start? Well, in this explainer, we're going to fix that. We're going to show you how AI can build you a super simple, really powerful routine that takes just a few minutes a day. So let's just start with this idea. What if a tool you probably already have on your phone could genuinely lower your stress in less time than it takes to make your morning coffee? I know, it sounds a little too good to be true, but that's exactly the practical reality we're diving into today.
Look, we all start with the best intentions. We tell ourselves, okay, today's the day. I'm going to meditate, I'm going to journal, I'm going to just breathe for 5 minutes. But then, life happens, and those good intentions, they just kind of fall apart. So why is it so hard to stick with the habits we know are good for us?
Does this list feel a little personal? I know it does for me. After a long day, your brain is just fried. The sheer mental energy it takes just to decide what to do for your wellness becomes its own barrier. And listen, this isn't a personal failure, not at all. It's a universal challenge in our crazy, busy world.
And that brings us to our unexpected ally, artificial intelligence. I really want you to reframe how you see AI for a second. Forget all the complex, techie headlines. I want you to start thinking of it as a personal guide, like an assistant that's ready to go 24/7 to support you.
So in this case, what is a personal mental wellness assistant? It's basically a tool that gives you structure when you feel totally overwhelmed. It gives you a starting point when you're just staring at a blank page. And it offers support the exact moment you need it. It's all about making consistency feel easy and totally natural.
And here is the absolute key. If you take one thing away, let it be this. The single biggest advantage of using AI is that it just wipes out decision fatigue. You don't have to think, you just have to do. The AI handles the what and the how, so you can focus on the only thing that actually matters, feeling better.
All right, so what does this actually look like day to day? Let's walk through a super simple 3-step daily routine that pretty much anyone can follow. This is the heart of the whole system.
Here's the whole framework. Simple, right? You've got a morning session to set the tone for your day, a really quick reset in the afternoon to manage stress as it happens, and then an evening reflection to kind of process everything and wind down. Each piece is short, it's effective, and it's designed to support you right when you need it most.
So let's start with step 1, morning clarity. The goal here is incredibly simple. Instead of immediately grabbing your phone and diving into the chaos of emails and social media, you just take 5 minutes to start your day with purpose and a little bit of calm.
And check out how easy this is. You can literally copy and paste this prompt into an AI tool, and boom, it will instantly give you a tailored routine. Maybe some affirmations, a great journaling idea, or a simple mood check-in. Zero guesswork needed.
Next up is the midday reset. This is your secret weapon against that 2 p.m. slump or that sudden wave of stress that hits you at work. Think of it like a 2-minute pit stop for your brain, designed to get your focus back and just hit the refresh button.
So when you feel that overwhelm creeping in at your desk, just type this in. The AI can guide you through a quick breathing exercise or a mindfulness technique you can do right there in your chair. It's like having a wellness coach in your pocket, on demand.
And finally, we close out the day with step 3, evening reflection. This is your dedicated time to process the day, let go of what didn't go so well, and really focus on some gratitude before you sleep. This one step is huge for preventing that late-night overthinking we all do.
This prompt right here is so powerful. You're asking the AI to act like a guide, helping you find a new, more positive way to look at your challenges. I'm telling you, this one habit can literally transform your mindset, which means better sleep and a much better start to tomorrow.
Now, while a simple conversational AI is really all you need to start, there's a whole world of tools out there. Apps like Calm and Headspace are using AI to create personalized meditation plans. Journaling apps are using it to give you really insightful prompts. AI is becoming a huge feature across the entire wellness space.
Okay, we've covered the what and the why, but talking about it doesn't create change. Action does. So let's make this real. Here's how you can get started like right now, in the next 60 seconds.
This right here is your toolkit. These are ready-to-use prompts you can copy and try immediately. The most important thing is to just pick one. Don't overthink it. Choose the one that speaks to you the most right now and just see what happens.
And why even give this a shot? Because the benefits are real and they happen fast. This is about more than just a quick feel-good moment. It's about saving you time, getting personalized support whenever you need it, and, most importantly, reducing that mental load so you can finally build real consistency.
Okay, before we wrap up, it is absolutely essential that we're clear on this. These AI tools are fantastic for support and for building healthy habits, but they are not a replacement for professional therapy. If you're struggling, please reach out to a licensed professional for help.
So I'll leave you with this question. We've laid out the problem, the AI-powered solution, and the exact steps to get started. The only thing left is for you to take that first tiny step. So what's the one AI prompt from that toolkit you're going to try today?